a global leader in road building technology. The name Wirtgen Group is synonymous with road construction and minerals processing. We build the machines that build the roads that connect the world. And here at Wirtgen America's Center for Training and Technology, we connect the road construction industry with technical training and professional development, with career opportunities, and with each other, promoting a passion for road building and building the talent the road construction industry needs now. 3,000 students come through these doors each year, owners and operators, dealers and service technicians, to learn from the industry's leading experts, to perfect their craft, to take our world of experience and make it their own. An industry beacon in one of the nation's fastest growing cities. The CTT is where our industry comes to learn, to see, to touch, and to do. It's where the industry comes to connect, so they too can build a more connected world.